Woo! There we go. Well, we need a little bit more light than that. Wait, or do we? I can't tell if that's good. 1 second. Okay, guys, so we don't need enough, but you're probably wondering, what did I just light? It's a candle, so don't worry. I'm not gonna burn the house down. So, we're going to react to Try Not to Laugh Birds Edition. This is going to be good, I think. Wait, go back, go back. Wait, I don't even know what happened. What happened? What happened? I need to go back. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I don't think I could cover my mouth, though. It's not funny, and it's cute. Let's go. Whew, I almost blew up my cake. No. Not gonna get me. He gets close and gets camera. What's gonna happen?
Disrespect your surroundings.
Oh my god. Nope. That's too good. Too good. Too good for my taste. Oh! What's gonna happen? Oh, don't tell me what it's gonna do. It's gonna fly away and hit a window. No. Okay, I lost, but I'm still gonna watch. I'm not gonna abide by the rules now. He sounds like Wario! Did you just say... Anyway, he runs over to the other cage, aka chicken walk, and falls down. What is he gonna do? Okay. Shush! I'm making a video! Okay, back to the video. I should have cut that part out, but I'm gonna leave it in for the comedy.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hold on, something's coming out of here. Look, there's a bird, dude, it knows what's good.
Oh no, no. He can't get him off his computer. He can't get him off his computer. It's so annoying, but I like how cute they are. Oh. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cool. Oh. We might have enough time for another one. Yeah, we'll have enough time. Yes, we'll have enough time.
And wouldn't it be nice to live together?
Wait, what? What's that one?
Stop. Stop it.
You know what? Let's do... Ah. Smoke detector, don't go off. Okay. Woo! Again. How much time have we wasted? Yep, we have wasted a lot of time. We gotta go, people. These birds are funny though. I would like you to like, subscribe, and maybe hit the bell icon so you can get notified of when I make another video. When we make another video. So peace.